What I wish I knew about volcanoes in middle school. Get ready to uncover the explosive truth. Picture this. Beneath the Earth's crust, there's a bubbling cauldron of molten rock called magma. As magma heats up, it expands and builds up pressure. Imagine shaking a soda can. Eventually, it has to burst. That's what happens with a volcano. The magma rises through cracks in the crust, forming a magma chamber. When the pressure gets too intense, boom! The volcano erupts, spewing lava, ash, and gases into the air. It's nature's way of letting off steam, literally. So next time you see a volcano, you'll know it's a powerful reminder of the Earth's inner fire. Stay curious and keep exploring.